Hello you guys, and welcome back to my channel if you are new here. Oh my goodness, I am so overwhelmed every time now by you guys and your wonderful, beautiful comments. You guys loved last week's video, even though it was so short. Honestly, you guys were so sweet to me and I am so thankful. I was so nervous putting that video out because I was like, I know that it looks good, but I'm also the kind of person who, if I find someone and I like their channel, I'm just like, give me all the content. So I'm very thankful that you accepted and actually liked my video from last week. So thank you, thank you, thank you. And you guys are all loving the progress we have made, you guys. It is looking so beautiful, but you guys, there is still so much to come. Today, we are going to be making over the bathroom vanity. This thing is kind of just, you know, cookie cutter, white, little cheap one from the store. And fortunately and unfortunately, the budget doesn't have it for a new sink. You know, a pedestal sink would definitely be more fitting, I think more timely for the home, but for now I'm just gonna work with what I have and I'm gonna use some products to make it what I want it. I do not want a nautical feel in here at all. We are making this elegant, we are making this sophisticated, and I'm very excited, and we're gonna give this thing a little transformation. In the meantime, if you don't know, my name is Courtney. I love all things DIY, thrifting, and organizing, and I love using all of those ways and combining them to help you love your home. Okay, let's not put this off any longer. Let's go ahead and jump into this video. Again, we're kind of getting back into the swing of things for the new year, so there'll be this video, and then next week will be the finale of this bathroom series, and you guys, I promise you, you're going to love it. The wallpaper, the details, the decor, stunning. Chef's kiss. I swear you're gonna love it. So anyways, let's go ahead and get into this week's video, and make sure you give this video a like if you like it, subscribe if you aren't already, you guys. So much more happening this year, so many makeovers, you guys. It's gonna be fantastic, and I'm so glad you're along for the ride. So let's get into this. Okay, you guys, the product that I'm using today for the vanity is called Retique, and it is a liquid wood product. So basically, you're supposed to be able to apply it to almost any surface, I feel. Maybe there's specific ones, but specifically furniture that is a little bit more fake and a little bit more slick and not real wood where you can't sand it down and stain it. And you apply this product, it has real wood fibers in it. So that way when you put it on, I know this sounds like hoodoo voodoo, but when you put in chemistry, that kind of thing, but when you put it on, you're able to stain it. So this cabinet is white, which is pretty, but it's making the bathroom lean nautical for me, and I don't want that at all. I want this to be rich and moody and elevated and elegant, and the white cabinet is just, it's not doing it for me. And now, obviously I can't do much about the white toilet. I don't really want a colored toilet, although it made me realize, I think I understand now why people did colored toilets back then. All that being said, we're gonna give this a go, and I'm hoping that this will allow me to stain this cabinet a beautiful, beautiful, dark, rich color. So let's go ahead and test this out and see how it works. Okay, I know this color looks a little weird, but we will be staining it, so don't worry about that. But I just wanted to let you guys know that you do want to make sure if you're trying out this product that you apply it like you would as if it had a wood grain. So I had to be very particular about making sure my strokes were long and doing my absolute best. You can see it was a little bit hard to do that at the curve of the sink, but overall I think I fared pretty well, and honestly the second coat made it look even better. And also it does dry very quickly, so just keep that in mind that you don't kind of want to put it on and leave it. You want to make sure you get those brush strokes right away.
Thank you. I can do the workout too. That is the beautifulest
Coming to you from my dining room yet again. I don't think I said that last time, but this is my dining room, you guys. And this will obviously be a project hopefully this year as well. I'm realizing that I've done a lot of hidden spaces and I need to do ones that people can actually see because we have people coming over next week for birthday parties for my sons. And I was like, oh my gosh, like they can't really see the projects that I've done unless I take them to them or if they're like, you know, quickly using the bathroom. But when you walk in the house, it still feels very newly moved in. And so we've got to, you know, we've got to touch some things this year. Now we are going in with the Vanity Gel Stain in Kona. So now gel stain, I'm pretty sure you can actually apply to a surface like this, more of a slick surface. That's the whole point of it, is that it almost goes on like a paint as opposed to like a penetrating stain. But I still just wanted to try out the Retique product just to see how it works. And so far so good. And I just wanted to make sure I was doing it right. I'm hoping that this way there will be less prone to chipping. I don't know, we'll see. But I chose Kona because I just want it to be a really beautiful, deep, rich cabinet color. So basically we're just going to apply this on and then let it dry, seal it, and add our knobs and the cabinet will basically be done. And I'm so excited, we're getting one step closer.
So just like with the Retique product and a normal stain, you want to make sure that you are also applying this as you would a normal stain in the direction of the faux wood grain here that we have created. So with this product, you can just put it on and leave it. You don't have to wipe the excess stain off, but I actually opted to apply it, and then after 5 minutes, I did wipe the excess off just to make it a little bit lighter. But honestly, I could have left it on and left it this dark, and I still would have been so happy. It was so beautiful.
Okay, so this step is obviously not necessary, but because I felt like I was going all out with this bathroom, I didn't want to leave little details unfinished. So the faucet currently is a silver, which is fine. It's actually, I don't know, I think it's cute and it works, but with the way the wallpaper is going to be and the paint, guys, I had to change it.
So just a reminder of what we started with, a white cabinet. It was beautiful on its own, but not what I was going for, and now she's stunning. I am so happy with how this product worked out. I would highly recommend it if you were looking to transform something in your space, and I'm also equally glad that I did upgrade that faucet. Honestly, you guys, the details just make all the difference in these makeovers. So make sure you guys come back next week to see the full transformation as we add the wallpaper and some other finishing touches. I promise you will not be disappointed. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next week.